Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's ITZEL and today I will be doing a fall closet declutter for you. Summer's now over and it's time to transition the closets from summer to fall. And just really get rid of anything we don't wear anymore. We will also be switching sides today. My side of the closet does have a little bit more space, and I do notice that my fiance does have more clothes. So he will be taking my side and I will be taking his. Here I'm just starting by removing everything off the racks and wiping down the shelves. Also, if you like organizing, beauty, hauls, and lifestyle videos, be sure to subscribe. Those are the kind of videos I will be making for this channel. So if you enjoy any of those, I would love for you to join me.
Your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time.
For the clothes that actually gets folded, I didn't want to just put it back on the shelf like that, so I decided to use these cubicles that I already had and organize the clothes inside those instead. I think it'll just look a lot cleaner and it'll be easier to pick something out.
Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. Should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started.
I'm just removing the shoes and moving out the shoe rack so I can vacuum that section. Also, I did get the shoe racks from Walmart if you guys are interested. As you guys can tell, we don't have a big closet, so I needed to find something that can hold a lot of shoes in a small space.
The mystery of life. Every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning.
Here I'm just finishing up by putting a clean sheet on the bed. I did purchase my comforter from Amazon, and I believe it's meant to have some type of padding on the inside since it has a zipper on one of the ends. But I don't know, I like it this way instead. And this is everything that we decided to get rid of. And that's the final result, guys. I really like how it turned out. I feel like the closet looks a lot more organized and a lot more clean. The cubicles on the shelves look a lot better than just having my clothes stacked on there. Also, those cubicles in the middle, you didn't see me declutter them on camera, but that's just where we keep our socks, underwear, things like that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed for future videos.